In this quick video, I want to show you how to use an AirLife Volumetric incentive spirometer. The whole purpose of this device is to expand and contract your lungs right after surgery, or if you got pneumonia and you got fluid on your lungs. And the more you breathe in and out and the harder you do it and then cough, the more it'll help release some of that fluid that's on your lungs. So it's pretty simple to use, and you can get these pretty much anywhere. You can get them on Amazon or eBay for like 10 bucks. So we're just going to fasten this here. And the whole purpose, again, is to expand and contract your lungs. So what you're going to do, it's all going to be inhale. You don't exhale. You're going to breathe in with right here on this device. You just expand this, and this goes up all the way to 4,000 milliliters. And so what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in, but you're not going to do it really fast and hard. The whole point is consistency, and you could hold it for 4 to 5 seconds. And you want, while you're looking at it, you want this blue to stay between these two lines the whole time for the 4 to 5 seconds. If it goes higher, that's too hard, and if it goes lower, it's not hard enough. And you want to set goals. So if you're in the hospital bed, you could only go to 500 milliliters or 1,000. That's fine, but every hour you want to increase your goals if possible. And maybe you can get up to 2,500 or 3,000 consistently. So I want to set a goal for 1,500 for right now. And the best way I would describe doing this is think about drinking a milkshake out of the straw, but the straw is on the other side of the room. So that's what I want you to visualize, is drinking a milkshake with a straw going to the other side of the room, and the milkshake's on the other side of the room. So you just slurp it up slow, but you know you can't do it really fast. It's got to be consistent. In order to get that milkshake, it's got to go all the way across the room. Alright, so basically you hold it, you do it to eye level, like this, 3 to 5 seconds. I want to breathe in and out 3 times, and then in. Got to 1,500 on that one. Alright, you want to do this maybe 10 times every hour while you're sitting in the hospital bed. Alright, let's try again. Let's see if I can get to 1,500. As you can see there, I went over the line there on the very top. Let's try again. I got to my 1,500 goal. Let me try again. Expand, contract my lungs. Inhale again. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.